Hi, my name is Nat and today, I'm here to talk about Folifort, a natural supplement that will help your hair grow. I imagine that if you are here watching this video review, it is because you are looking for more information about this product. Good news is that you are in the right place. I'm here to share very important information about Folifort that can help you before you buy this product. But I have a very important warning to give you. If you are going to buy this product, buy from the official website so you don't buy from places that sell the product that is not genuine. To help you, I left the link to the official Folifort website here in the video description. And you might be wondering if Folifort works. Yes, Folifort works because it is a method with proven results. Over 1,800 happy customers who've successfully reinvigorated their hair with Folifort. It's 7 years of research and 12 natural ingredients. This natural supplement has worked for many people and may work for you who have problems with hair loss, lack of hair growth and weak strands. Folifort has stood out in the market precisely because it contains within the formula several natural ingredients that will help you to have these benefits. Folifort has worked for many people, including the sales page I left on the link below. There are people reporting the results they had after using this supplement. Folifort comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 60 full days from your original purchase. That's it. I hope I was able to help you. The manufacturer delivers to your home. In the promotion you get free shipping.